All right, let's take a look at this awesome Japanese knife since I drank all the Japanese scotch. Nothing to see here. Anyway, I've had this knife for 3 years. It's an awesome knife. So awesome that I haven't used it. I'll tell you why at the end of the video. It's made by a master blacksmith out of Japan named Yu Kurosaki, well known for all his chef knives, and supposedly the best hunting knife maker out of Japan as well. I find this knife awesome size-wise for quartering elk and or deer. I sometimes use smaller knives in this. It's the design is nice. It fits my hand fine. It's I have large hands. It could be a little bit longer in the handle, but it's not a problem. It's not uncomfortable. It's kind of a funky design too. Overall length is 8 inches. Handle material is black micarta, and the handle length is 4 3/16 of an inch. Blade length is 3 13/16 of an inch. It's got a nice finger choil here, and thumb and or finger ramp for getting in close and doing your work. He has signed the knife as well, Yu Kurosaki. What else can I tell you about it? It's got a hole for a lanyard. The steel is the blade is a convex grind with a micro bevel, and it's sharp as hell. It's also made out of Damascus R2 steel. The steel is a super steel, and supposedly is very durable, but this thing doesn't chip like a harder steel does. I have lots of knives that are made out of a harder material that do end up chipping, although they hold their edge awesomely. They do chip, and when they chip, it's a pain in the ass to get the chips out. I find, anyway, for myself personally. The blade thickness is 1/8 of an inch at the pommel or butt, and it kind of tapers off throughout the whole knife, the full length of the knife. I love this knife, but again, it's something I haven't used, and why I haven't used it is the same reason why I wouldn't use the sheath. There's no retention on this thing, and if it popped out, I'd be out some serious dough. And that's why I haven't used it. I've been a real chicken shit about using this thing, which I shouldn't be. I should use this. And I plan to this year on my next elk hunt. We'll let you know how it goes. Thanks for watching. JMW out.